Hey everyone, today I want to share my experience with Bamboo Insurance, specifically their homeowners insurance in 2025. If you're like me, comparing insurance options can be confusing and time-consuming. So I'll break down what Bamboo offers, what stood out to me, and whether it's actually worth considering this year. Why I looked into Bamboo. A few months ago, my old homeowners policy renewed with a huge price jump. That pushed me to start looking for alternatives, and that's how I came across Bamboo Insurance. They market themselves as a modern, tech-driven insurance company that focuses on transparency, flexible coverage, and good customer service. I was curious if that was really true. What I found, coverage and features after getting a quote online, I noticed a few things. The process was super quick, under 5 minutes, and the questions were straightforward. Coverage options were customizable. I could adjust dwelling coverage, personal property, and liability without calling anyone. They also included optional add-ons like equipment breakdown and service line coverage, which some traditional insurers don't even offer. What impressed me most was the clarity. Bamboo's interface actually explained what each coverage means in plain English. No fine print traps. And when I compared prices, Bamboo's rate was 10 to 15% cheaper than my previous policy for nearly identical coverage. I haven't had a major claim yet, thankfully, but I did reach out to test their customer support. Their response time was fast, less than 10 minutes on chat, and the rep was knowledgeable. Reading through online reviews, most customers highlight smooth claims handling and clear communication, which isn't always the case in the insurance world. Of course, like any insurer, there are a few negative reviews, mostly about rate increases after the first year, but that's pretty standard across the board. Overall, my experience with Bamboo Homeowners Insurance in 2025 has been really positive. It's modern, simple, and competitively priced. If you value a tech-first approach and transparent coverage, it's definitely worth getting a quote. Just remember, always compare at least 3 providers, because your rate depends heavily on your location, home type, and credit profile. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews on insurance and personal finance tools. Thanks for watching and stay protected.